Paras here, and today we're gonna talk about how I monetize my small audience. Right now, at the moment, I have 52 subscribers on my YouTube channel and 231 members in my community. But I was still able to make $6,000 in 20 days. So how is that possible? And this question was asked from my inner circle member who is in like building coaching business. He sells an offer of $6,000 and he helped people with the relationship. Right now he had like 34 members in his community, and he asked this question: how can I monetize a small audience? And he was not even that confident that people gonna convert, because they think like nobody gonna trust him, the audience should be bigger. If you have 1,000 member, if the day you realize this, everything gonna change for you. If you can't monetize a small audience, forget about monetizing a big audience, because to monetize a small audience is easier. I will show you how you can do it, and let's get into it. And before starting the video, feel free to join my private community. Is my Facebook group. I will put in the link in the description below. I do a lot of trainings, interviews. You can take benefit, and you can build your business to scale to that $10,000 mark. So let's get into it. So I will start from the beginning. So imagine someone today came into your ecosystem, will watch your YouTube video, and they learned about you today, and they're not gonna buy today. And majority of people not buying the single day, because especially we are selling a high ticket first thing, and they need to understand what's the game of plan, because we're dealing in business, so they need to understand how we can help them. So this psychology is called like consumer spectrum. Okay, so we're gonna rate the buyer from 1 to 10. 10 means they are ready to buy, they're just verge on the jumping in, they're about to message you that, oh, hi Paras, I'm gonna try to work with you, can you send me the payment link? 10 is that. From 1 who come to the ecosystem today, and there is people in between 5 who are just learning about you, who know the plan of attack. So we can't, if you can understand this, we can't make content in single content for all of them. So the people who just came in to see you today, if they can understand that, oh, like this is the person's lifestyle, what did person help with, like I help people with 10 scale to 10k, things like that. Lifestyle, what is help with 10k, like how to scale the business. So the first person who came into a system today is more raw. He still need to understand your values, to understand a lot of things. And if we can make one content about these things specific, about once a week or twice a week, and they understand the people who are this is a nurturing stage basically. And then on people who are in the middle, if they can understand the plan of attack, basically how you're gonna help them, basically what's the action they need to take, and what's the step-by-step formula that will help you that can help them to scale to 10k a month. Just an example. So integrate these kind of content as well. I will go in detail in that, and I'm just going to explain you this. There are 3 consumer spectrum basically: people who are in your ecosystem, people are in the middle, they're still watching you, 10 people who are ready to buy today. And these people need to understand plan out, because they're already sold on your lifestyle, because if they're still here, people leave by this time because they don't want to match your values, they don't think they can help them. And the second one is plan of attack. So if you integrate in your content how you can help them get to their goals, how you can integrate to them, what is really happening in their lives, and how you can relate to them. Because mostly, like, I can relate to people who are past 10k. What is really happening? They want to quit their job, but they can't quit their job because they are making content every day, doing all the right things, but still people not converting, things like that. Like, a lot of things goes into it, like offer. We'll talk in a later video. Offer, marketing, sales, appointment setting, a lot of things go into it, but today we'll keep it like this. So in your content, if you can, lifestyle, what you help with, things like that, plan of attack, and basically like time, how much time to get to the result. And the next stage is, if people are sold on your plan of attack and time for result, the next stage comes, people who are ready to buy. Now we present them with offers. So it can be offers to scarcity, offers through creating scarcity, and bonuses, special time. How I did it: one day you make content for specific these people. On the second day, you make content for these people who are still want to learn more about you. And in between of it, in a month or two, in a month, like 5 or 6 times or 7 times, you put in offers too. So direct offers, or like a little bit of like DM me offer. So I put offers in my story, I put offers in my community, and a lot of people jump into this. So I can understand, like, now these people are ready to buy. And you don't have to wait. Even if you have 34 members, if you can do this and understand this concept, consumer spectrum, and a lot of things can happen. And in this way you can understand what their pain is. Because usually, even if you're building any, like, basically a coaching or a high ticket affiliate business, you understand their problems. If you can focus on their problems, what are their problems in this one, and share your lifestyle, what you help with. I'm just repeating myself because it's so important to understand this, to integrate these kind of content. It's all, today video is majority of content. The third is putting out offers. Even if you do these two, if you're not putting out offers, they don't know you can help them or not. You need to put out offers 100%. There should be a balance of it. So you can do 2 day this post, 2 days this post, and 1 day this post for in your community, in your offers, things like that. And this is something that helped me monetize quickly as possible. So this is what I did for my community. Like in this, for example, lifestyle is, I live in Vancouver. I was a student. They know about me and how I started this journey, how I can help them, things like that. Why I'm qualified to things like that, like why 10k a month. And then plan of attack means how we gonna get the traffic, how we gonna get the monetization done. This is a plan of attack too. What I'm doing right now, this is plan of attack too. So think it like that. And how much time will take, things like that. Traffic, content, what you need to produce, things like that. And the third is offer, direct offer, creating scarcity. I'm only taking 3 people in, and promos, bonus, special timing, giving all that. And hope this makes a lot of sense to you. And this is the exact framework that helped me generate 6k in 20 days. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.